Inventive Media gave me an opportunity to learn from a talented team, refining my graphic design skills and becoming proficient in creating visually captivating designs using Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. Inventive Media introduced me to HTML and CSS, enabling me to turn my creative ideas into a functional, pleasing web designs. I also explored into the WordPress course, gaining expertise in crafting engaging and user-friendly websites. Thanks a lot to Inventive Media, I've transformed my passion into a compelling skill set, paving the way for a bright future in the design industry.